Hello, how to solve 3 to the power of t and this equals t to the power of 9. We are solving for the value of t that satisfies this equation. So what we are going to do is we are going to eliminate this t here and we push all the variables to one part of this equation while the numbers will be in only one part of the equation. So let's start by eliminating this t. We are going to have 3 to the power of t, and for us to eliminate this t, we are going to multiply this exponent by 1 over t. And this equals, we do the same thing here. We have t to the power of 9. And you multiply the exponent by 1 over t. Now, if you have a to the power of n or to the power of m, this equals a to the power of n times m. So we apply the same identity here and here. So what we are going to have is 3 to the power of t times 1, that is t divided by t. And this equals t to the power of 9 times 1, that is 9 divided by t. Now, at this particular point, t divided by t is 1. So we are going to have 3 to the power of 1, which equals t to the power of 9 over t. Now, after solving this, we are also going to plot the graph, and I'm going to show you the graphical representation of this solution. So what we are going to do again is to eliminate this 9 here. So we are going to push it over here. So for us to achieve that, we multiply the exponent by 1 over 9 again. We have 3 to the power of 1, and this equals t to the power of 9 divided by t. We raise it to the power of 1 over 9, and we do the same thing here. We raise it to the power of 1 over 9. Now, at this particular point, we multiply this exponent again. We have 3 to the power of 1 times 1 over 9. This is 1 over 9. And this equals t to the power of 9 times 1. That is 9 divided by t times 9. That is 9t. So from here, we have 3 to the power of 1 over 9. And this equals t to the power of 9 eliminate itself once. Eliminate 9, we have 1. So this gives us 1 over t. Now, if you observe very well, the t that we have here is exactly the t that we have here. Now, this is 3 at the base, so we should also manipulate this base here to be the same as what we have here, so that we can compare the exponent. So for us to achieve that, we are going to make use of these equivalent fractions. For instance, if I have 2 over 2, this is the same thing as having 3 over 3, and this is just like writing 1. Because 3 divide itself once, divide 3 once, 2 divide itself once, divide itself once, so all these are the same. So I'm going to easily have this 3 to the power of this. I can have 1 times 1 over 9, and this equals t to the power of 1 over t. So the reason I'm writing this one here is for me to make use of these equivalent fractions. Because if I multiply 1 times 1 over 9, I'm going to have 1 over 9, which is the same thing here. So what I'm going to do is I will replace this one here with 3 over 3, because I want this base to be the same as what we have here. So we are going to have 3 to the power of, instead of writing 1 here, we have 3 over 3 times 1 over 9. And this equals t to the power of 1 over t. Now, at this particular point, what we are going to do is, let's multiply this out. We have 3 to the power of 3 times 1. This is 3 divided by 3 times 9. This is 27. And this equals t to the power of 1 over t. Now, if you have a to the power of n times n. This equals a to the power of n raised to the power of n. So we are going to apply this same identity here. That means we are going to have 3 to the power of this. We can simply write it as 3 times 1 over 27. And this equals t to the power of 1 over t. And from here, remember, if you have a power n times n equals a power n all to the power of n. So I'm going to apply this identity here. That means I'm going to have this is 3 to the power of 3. And this is raised to the power of 1 over 27. And this equals t to the power of 1 over t. So from here, I'm going to have 3 to the power of 3. Remember, 3 to the power of 3 equals 3 times 3 times 3. And this equals 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 we have 27. So I'm going to replace this with 27. I have 27 to the power of 1 over 27. And this equals t to the power of 1 over t. So right now, the 27 is here, and the 27 is here, and t is here, and t is here. You can compare this. So we are going to have 1 divided by 27, and this equals 1 divided by t. So what we're going to do is to cross multiply. T times 1, this is t, and this equals 27 times 1, this is 27. So this becomes the value of our t. Now, the next thing we are going to do now is to show you the graph. So this is the graphical representation of it. So right now, let me enlarge the graph. So at this point, you can see the graph here, and this is the t-axis, and this is the vertical axis, and this is the point of intersection. This is the answer that we are looking for, and this is 25, this is 30, so this point here is 27. So the point of intersection here is our answer, which is t equals 27. So this becomes the value of t that satisfies that equation, and this is the graphical representation of the solution. So that is it, and if you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe and share this video. Thank you and goodbye. If you have any question, drop it on the comment box. See you again.